Hello, today we are going to take a first look at PCBA named ESP32 for Relays Development Board. The board is based on ESP32 module. That module have impressive processing power and low power consumption. Over Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connectivity, the unit can be a wide-range application electronic product for monitoring and controlling electrical devices. Via simple connection, it may be used for set, collect and monitoring data of electronic sensors and units. Used as for home automation, smart plant watering, lights, garage door and many other controls. Easy configurable software platforms make setting and using of the board very smooth. Arduino, ESP32, Blink plus many more software and environments. Basically all boards arrive without configuration codes. To power the board, use 5 volts 2 amps via USB or the terminal plug. The micro USB connector makes uploading codes easy. There is no need of additional external UART device. The board has 4 relays. Each relay switching power is 10 amps and have individual LED indicator. First relay is connected to GPIO 2Second relay is connected to GPIO 2Then relay 3 is connected to GPIO 18 and relay 4 is connected to GPIO 19. There are also 5 inputs using terminal plugs for easy cable connection. You can check scheme, board view and pinout on website www.iotflare.com in section projects. Next description shows connection of every relay, terminal input to its relevant GPIO pin. There are special GPIO header for easy connection of BME280 module for measuring temperature, humidity and atmospheric pressure. Additional GPIO headers are available for developing purpose. In next video we'll show how to add Arduino code and control the board with smartphone using Blink application. Thanks for watching. If you don't like the video, press dislike. But if you like it and would like to see more videos coming with sample codes and how to remote control the board, please press like button and subscribe. You can also consider visiting our website. There is a link in the video description.